Cariad, o cariad, cariad ydw i. Dwi'n gwisgo sgidiau melyn a siwt sydd yn fflop i bympio a neidio. Dwi weithiau'n syrthio i lawr, ond neidiaf nôl yn hapus. Mae'n amser joio nawr. Cariad yw fy enw i. My name is Kariad, and I'm in serious trouble. Mae gynna i broblem enfawr. Oes wir? Da chi'n gweld? Dwi ar y ffordd i'r gogledd. I'm on my way up north. A dwi yn mynd i barti. I'm going to a very special party. Parti penblwydd, a birthday party. A dwi fod i wneud sioe hyd a lledrith. I'm supposed to be doing a magic show in the party. Ond mae rhywbeth ofnadwy wedi digwydd. Something terrible's happened. Rhyngthoch chi a fi. Dwi wedi colli yr hyd a lledrith. I've lost the magic. Sut dwi'n mynd i wneud sioe? How can I do a magic show os dwi wedi colli'r hyd a lledrith? Wytiwch am hynny bach. Dwch mi ddangos chi. Let me show you. Oh my goodness. Mae o'i fod yn lun lliwgar. It's supposed to be all colourful. Ond mae o just yn ddu a gwyn. Dwi'n gwybod bod lluniau du a gwyn yn ddigon del. I know black and white pictures are, well, they're very nice indeed. It's just that this one's supposed to change and be all colourful. Gwytiwch. Dwi wedi prynu ffram. I bought a picture frame. Do you keep your pictures in picture frames? Yeah? To make them look better? Well, that's what I'd heard. So, brynes I hwn, hello. O, dowch draw, mae'n greisus yma. O, diwyr, hello. Well, hello. Hello. Dyna ni. Ond diom di newid lliw, it hasn't changed colour. The magic just isn't work. Gwytiwch am fyny bach. Gwytiwch am fyny bach. Mae gynna i, I've got some special silks. Hancesu hyd. A mi dria I liwio'r llun yn ofalus very carefully. A rhoi lliw yn y llun. Na. No. O, dwi'n gwybod beth dwi'n mynd i wneud. I don't know what I'm going to do. Gwytiwch am hynny bach. Dwi'n newydd gofio. I've just remembered something really important. Yn fan hyn. Mae gynna I ffôn hyd y magic wand. Mae hwn yn siŵr o weithio. This is sure to work. Ellwch chi gyfri'n Gymraeg? Can you count in Welsh with me? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dio di gweithio? Has it worked? The wand's broken. Mae'r ffôn hyd wedi Oh, na. Dwi'n yn gwybod be dwi'n mynd i... Gwytiwch, mae gynna I ffôn hyd arall. I've got another magic wand in here. Dwi'n siŵr bydd y ffôn hyd yma'n gweithio. Na, mae hwn yn iawn. Mae hwn yn iawn. Na, fydd hwn yn gweithio'n briliant. Guaranteed fydd y ffôn hyd yma. Broken? No, this one's a lovely magic wand. Mae'r ffôn hyd yma yn ffantastig. O? Oh, I'm so disappointed. I thought he was going to tell me he'd found the magic. But he was telling you about another show. That's worse. Gwytiwch am hynny bach, Juan. Dwi'n siŵr fydd y ffôn hyd yma. Oh. Dwi wedi colli'r hyd. I really have lost the magic. I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, do you know, it does make me feel very sad. Mae'n gwneud fi deimlo'n drist iawn bod fi wedi colli'r hyd. Ac o'n I just yn meddwl, I just had a little idea, o'n i'n meddwl gan bo chi wedi dod yma. Since you're here, I was just wondering, maybe, if it's okay with you, so I can forget that I'm feeling sad, a bod fi'n teimlo'n drist a di colli'r hyd a lledrith. Di'n iawn I fi aros I chwarae gêm efo chi? Would it be okay with you if I stay and play a little game with you? I anghofio bod fi'n teimlo'n drist, to forget that I'm feeling sad. Is that okay with you? Is it? Do you know what I've got trouble hearing? Did you say yes? Did you? Now I can hear you. Already I'm feeling better. Dwi'n teimlo'n well yn barod. Diolch yn fawr I chi. Wan tebyg, awn ni chwarae. Oh. Mae'n a ddyn arbennig iawn. There's a very, very special man who taught me a wonderful game. Game fantastic. Neb llai na Ffôn Corn. Yeah. Father Christmas has taught me a brilliant game. It's called Hide and Seek with Rudolph. Pwy fysa licio chwarae'r game yna? Anybody fancy playing hide and seek with Rudolph? Well, let me have a little look in the box. Are you ready? Dach chi'n barod? Mae isio croeso mawr, nice big, warm welcome for Rudolph. Dach chi'n barod? Hello, Rudolph, ar ôl 3. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello. Oh, mae isio mwy o lais. We need more voice than that. 1, 2, 3. Rudolph! Dyma fo, Rudolph! Na? Na, dim Rudolph. Oh, I'm losing everything today. I've lost the magic. Now I've lost Rudolph. Oh, I haven't lost Rudolph. It's a game. Chwarae game cuddio. Dyn ni gwytio'ch am munud. Hai chwilio eto am Rudolph. Guaranteed. Fydd o'n marw. He'll be here now. Guaranteed. Oh, dyma ni. Dach chi'n barod I ddweud hello, Rudolph, ar ôl 3? Hello, Rudolph, after 3. 1, 2, 3. Rudolph! A dyma fo, Rudolph, wedi dod I chwarae cuddio. He's come to play hide and... Be sy'n bod? Well, Rudolph, efo trwyn coch with a red nose. Sorry? He's got a yellow nose. Trwyn melyn? Oh, no. Ddim Rudolph, diolch. That's not Rudolph. Dwi'n gwybod be oedd yn bod. I know. We need more of a welcome. Mwy o groeso, mwy o lais, a mwy o groeso. Dach chi'n barod? More voice, more of a welcome. Hello, Rudolph, ar ôl 3. Allwch chi helpu os gwelwch yn dda? Please help. Poor Rudolph doesn't feel very welcome. That's what it is. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! Fantastic! Oedd hynna'n brilliant. A dyma fo, and here he is. Rudolph wedi dod I chwarae cuddio. Sorry? Trwy'n glad. Blue nose. Well, that's not Rudolph. Nid Rudolph di hwnna. Dwi'n gwybod. Driwn ni tro ma. This time, we'll try and give a better welcome. Mwy o groeso. Hello, Rudolph. Efo gwen fawr with a big smile. I'm sure that'll do it. Dwi'n siŵr. Dach chi'n barod ar ôl 3. Hello, Rudolph. Gwen enfawr. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Rudolph! A dyma fo, Rudolph wedi dod. Purple? No, Rudolph. Rudolph wedi dod I chwarae. You should be where I am, because there's a much better show going on down there. Oh, not fantastic. Ddim yn fantastic. Purple nose, that's not rude. Dwi'n gwybod. Un peth bach arall, just one more little thing. Beth am chwifio'ch llaw? Give him a welcome. And a smile. A digon o lais. Plenty of voice. Ar ôl 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Rudolph! A dyma fo, Rudolph wedi dod I chwarae cuddio. Gwyn. Gwyrdd? A green nose? He looks like he needs to blow his nose. Nid Rudolph, dwi'n gwybod. Oh, bai fi, my fault. I should have thought earlier. Mae angen dwy law, 2 hands, big smile, gwyn enfawr, a digon o lais. Tro yma, guaranteed, mae Rudolph yn mynd I ddod I chwarae cuddio efo ni. This time, guaranteed, he's going to come and play. Da chi'n barod ar ôl 3? 1, 2, 3. Hello, mwy o lais, mwy o lais. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Rudolph! Yay! O'r diwedd. Hip, hip, hooray, Rudolph wedi cyrraedd. Nawr te, the game, hide and seek efo Rudolph. Pan da chi chwarae cuddio, when you're playing hide and seek, mae angen wneud yn siŵr bod neb yn specian, that there's nobody peeping. A nawn ni gyfri lan I 10, shall we count up to 10? Tra mae'n mynd I guddio. Ellwch chi gyfri'n Gymraeg? I wonder if we can count in Welsh. We can try. Shall we try? Dim specian, no peeping. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dim specian, no peeping. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dwi'n digon. Fanna. Well, that was too quick. He's already guessed that Rudolph's on spear. No, there's nothing there. Sdim byd yna. Ti'n da... Rhy glyfar, too clever for me. Newch chi roed. Cheers mawr. Will you give the loudest cheers that you've given today? Oherwydd eich bod chi wedi dod o hyd I Rudolph, because you have found Rudolph! Da iawn chi, wedi dod o hyd I Rudolph. Dim gyda... Oh no. Ble mae Rudolph wedi mynd? Rhowch glap mawr. I chi'ch hunain, give yourselves a big cheer. Dwi'n meddwl y tro hyn, da ni wedi dod o hyd I Rudolph. I think this time we have found Rudolph. Da chi'n barod? Cheers mwy a swnllu, the loudest cheers that you can. Dyma fo, Rudolph! Hooray! Dyma fo, Rudolph wedi cyrraedd fan hyn. Mae Rudolph wedi dod I fan hyn. Mae fan hyn. Oh na, mae rhaid I fi ddod o hyd I Rudolph. Na, dwi'n mynd I fod mewn gymaint o drwbl. Sorry? Na, ddim yn gwybod ble mae Rudolph wedi mynd. Mae rhaid I fi ddod o hyd iddo fo. Dwi'n yn gwybod lle mae. Da chi wedi gweld Rudolph? Have you seen Rudolph? Mae rhaid I fi ffeindio fo. Dwi'n yn gwybod be dwi'n mynd I wneud. Rhaid I fi ddod o hyd iddo fo. Oh, dyma fo, Rudolph. Here he is, Rudolph. Newch chi roed. Clap mawr iawn I chi'ch hunan. Well done for finding Rudolph. Well, nes I enjoyo'r gêm yna. Clap mawr I chi'ch hunan. Fantastic. Oh, diar mi. Wyddwch chi beth? Pan ddos I yma, when I came here, I'd lost the magic, o gynnau ddim hyd o lledrith ac o'n i'n teimlo'n drist iawn. I was feeling very sad. Ond diolch I chi am chwarae'r gêm efo fi. Dwi wedi cael amser ffantastig. A dwi'n teimlo lot hapusach. I'm feeling much happier. Ond well I fi fynd I chwilio am yr hyd a lledrith. I better go and look for the magic. Mwynhewch gweddill y diwrnod. Mae'n lot o bethau gwahanol I wneud yma. Ond hwyl fawr am y tro a diolch yn fawr iawn I chi am helpu chwarae'r gêm. Ia, dwi'n yn gwybod ble mae'r hyd a lledrith. I don't know where it's gone. Dwi'n yn gwybod lle mae wedi mynd. Ble? Mae'r beli pala wedi be? Wow. That's amazing. Mae'r hyd a lledrith yn gweithio. Diolch I chi, dwi'n meddwl, because you've been so kind, a chi wedi bod mor garedig, yn chwarae gêm efo fi, ac yn gwneud fi'n hapus. Because you've made me happy, that's made the magic work. Diolch. Yn fawr I chi. Fysa chi yn hoffi gweld mwy o hyd a lledrith? Would you like to see some more magic? Ydych chi eisiau gweld mwy o hyd a lledrith? Sorry, ydych chi? Would you like to see some more magic? I think that's a yes. Dowch I mi weld beth sydd yn y bocs arall. Let's see. What else? Well, chi gymryd seth. We've got a lot to do now. You found the magic. Oh, you've started something now, I'm telling you. Dwi'n newid gofio. Mae gennau rhywbeth really arbennig. I've got something seriously special to show you in a minute. Pwy fysa'n hoffi gweld elephant yn diflannu? Who would like to see an elephant disappearing? We'll get to the elephant in a minute. Ond, cyn I ni weld elephant yn diflannu, gwitwch am funud bach I ni weld beth sydd yn Fysach chi'n hoffi gwneud dipyn bach o hyd a lledrith? Would you like to do a little bit of magic with me? Sgennach chi fysedd wibbly wobbly? Bysedd wibbly wobbly? Sgennach chi freichia wibbly wobbly? Mae gynna I freichia wibbly wobbly. Breichia wibbly wobbly. Sgennach chi ben wibbly wobbly? Sgennach chi goesau wibbly wobbly? Sgennach chi gorff wibbly wobbly? Wel, dim ond y bysydd da ni angen. We only need the fingers. A'r geiriau hyd, the magic words, Canolfan, Millennium. That's a first. Canolfan, Millennium. Reta. Yn fan hyn. Mae gen I lyfr lliwio, colouring book. Da ni angen rhoi lluniau, need to put some pictures in the book, a dwi'n siŵr y medrwn ni wneud hyn efo'n gilydd. I'm sure that we can do this if we all help each other. Di'r bysedd wibbly wobbly na'n barod. Have you got your wibbly wobbly fingers ready? A'r geiriau hyd. Ella bod abracadabra yn haws. Driwn ni abracadabra. 1, 2, 3... Abracadabra! Ag ydi o wedi... Oh, da chi'n gwybod beth yn bod? You know what was wrong? Mae eisiau I bawb wneud that it was only a few of us that were trying. Mae eisiau I bawb wneud. We need everybody on board for this. Bysedd wibbly wobbly. Bysedd wibbly wobbly. Da iawn, Dad. Bysedd wibbly wobbly. You can't do wibbly wobbly when you got your phone in your hand. Wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much. It's going to work this time. At all 3. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra. Wow! Rhowch glap mawr I chi'ch hunan. That's fantastic. Beth am liwio'r lluniau? Who would like to colour the pictures using a bit of magic? Nawn ni drio, pawb efo'i gilydd, everybody together. Bysedd wibbly wobbly fingers. A'r geiriau hyd, abracadabra. 1, 2, 3, abracadabra. Ag... Wow! Mae o wedi gweithio, rhowch glap mawr I chi'ch hunan. Fantastic. Oh, mae'n mynd yn dda yma. It's going really well. Oh, mae gynnau stori fach I chi. Oh, I just got a little story for you. Da chi'n gweld... Wel, mae'r Nadolig yn dod. Christmas is coming, as you know. Ac o'n I wedi bod yn safio pres. I've been saved. Now we found the magic. I'm hoping you can help me with my nan's present. Efo anreg Nadolig I 9. Da chi'n gweld, dwi wedi bod yn safio pres. I've been saving my money to get my nan a really special anreg Nadolig, a really special Christmas present. Ac o'n i eisiau prynu scarf iddi hi. I wanted to buy her a scarf. Wel, ddoth hi'n amser mynd i brynu'r anrheg Nadolig. It came time. Off a fi lawr i'r siop. Ond pan gyrraeddus i yna, when I got there, I only had enough money to buy 2 scarves. 2. Ond yna bedwar yna, there were 4 scarves in the shop. A do'n i'm yn gwybod pa liw i ddewis. I didn't know what colour to choose. Dath y ddynes o'r siop, the lady in the shop came up to me, Kariad bach sy'n eisiau poeni. Don't worry, buy 2, get 2 free. Well, fantastic, medda fi ne. Buy 2, get 2 free. Well, gan bod i yn anrheg i 9, gan fy mod i wedi cael safio mhres ac yn mynd i roi anrheg arbennig i 9 because I was getting my nan a really special present. The lady in the shop said, mi na I lapio'r scarves I chdi. I'll lap them, I'll wrap them, I'll lap them, I'll wrap them in this special tube. Gan bod I wedi fod yn bwrw gymaint o law because it's raining so much, she didn't want the scarves to get wet. Felly, mi gymerodd hi a scarf melyn, the yellow scarf, and she put it into the tube, I mewn i'r tube, rhag ofn iddo fo wlychu, in case it got wet. Mi gymerodd hi a scarf gwyrdd, the green scarf, and she put it into the tube. Very carefully yn ofalus iawn oherwydd anrheg 9 oedd o wedi'r cyfan. It was my nan's special present. Rhag ofn iddo fo wlychu in case it got wet. Mi gymerodd hi a scarf coch, the red scarf, and she put it into the tube. Hello, allwch chi weld yn well, you can see better if you come round here. I mewn i'r tube, rhag ofn iddo fo wlychu in case it got wet. Ac mi gymerodd hi, she took the last scarf, a scarf glass. I roed o yn y tube and she put it into the tube. Rhag ofn iddo fo wlychu in case it got wet. Well, o'n i'n lwcus. I was so lucky on this particular day ar y diwrnod yma. Roedd y ddynes yn y siop efo papur lapio arbennig. Special pink wrapping paper for my nan. And she said, I will wrap the scarves for you in the tube so that you can give your nan a lovely, lovely present. Wow! Fantastic, medda fi, o'n i mor excited. Redes I nôl I D9. I ran back to my nan's house and went, here you go, Nan. I know it's not quite Christmas, but please, I want you to have your present now. Please, newch chi agor yr anrheg. So very carefully, she opened the present. Very, very, very carefully. Wow, she said. That is just what I have always wanted. Yr union beth dwi wedi bod isio. Shawl. Oh, no. I hadn't bought her a shawl. I'd bought her 4 separate scarves and she wanted a shawl. A dyma lle dwi angen eich help chi. This is where I need your help again. Do you think that with your wibbly-wobbly fingers and the magic, we can help fix it for my nan to have a lovely, lovely shawl for Christmas? Shall we try? Bysedd wibbly-wobbly. Now ni drio trwsio fo, let's try mending this. 1, 2, 3, abracadabra. Wow. A diolch I chi. Thanks to you, my nan is going to have a beautiful shawl for Christmas, I think. That you deserve a big round of applause for helping mend that. Thank you so much. Oh, dach chi'n fantastic. You're so brilliant. You've helped me find the magic. You've made me happy. You've helped mend this for my nan. And there's the elephant, of course. Yr elephant. I told you that we could see an elephant disappearing. A bys ni medru gweld elephant yn diflannu. Ond cyn I ni wneud hynna, before we do that, dowch I ni weld beth arall sydd yn y bocs fan hyn. Hello, 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 hello. Oh! Mae gynna ni. Hello, 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 hello. Mae gynna ni yn y bocs. Box arall. In the box, there is another box. Ac yn y box yma, dwi'n cadw'r hances I hyd. I keep the magic silks. A gan bod chi wedi bod mor brilliant, you've been so fantastic. O'n i'n meddwl, fysa chi'n bodlon helpu fi I gadw'r silks, I gadw'r hances I hyd yn saff. We'll try. Nawn ni drio efo'n gilydd. Right. Nawn ni gymryd yr hances hyd cyntaf, the first magic silk. A'i roed o yn y box. Sawl hances hyd sydd yn y box. How many magic silks in the box? Un hances hyd yn y box. A nawr, nawn ni gymryd... Mae wedi... Oh, diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. Dwi'n eto. Un hances hyd, one magic silk yn y box. Glas yn y box. A rwan, da ni'n mynd I nôl yr un melyn. A'i roed o'i mewn yn y box. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n anghofio popeth heddiw. I'm forgetting everything today. Dwi yn hopeless. Mae angen drws ar y box. We need to put a little door on the box. Driwn ni eto. Un hances hyd, glas, one blue hances yn y box fel hyn. A rwan, dwi'n mynd I gymryd yr un melyn a'i roed... Diolch. Drws arall yn y door. Driwn ni efo drws arall. Drws arall fel hyn. Rwan ta! Gwell look tro hyn. There's more of a chance now, I hope. Un hances hyd I mewn i'r box. Sawl hances hyd sydd yn y box? How many magic silks are in the box? Un. Gymerwn ni'r un nesaf. We'll take the next one. Un melyn. I mewn i'r box. Into the box. Sawl hances hyd sydd yn y box? How many magic hances? Dau. Beth oedd y lliwiau? Llwch chi gofio? Which colours were they? Melyn a glas. Yellow and blue. Dyma ni'r un nesaf. Gwyrdd, green. I mewn i'r box. Fel hyn. Sawl hances hyd sydd yn y box? How many magic silks in the box? 3. Dowch chi ni gyfri. Un glas, blue. Un melyn, yellow. Ag un gwyrdd, a green one. Da iawn chi. Good job o chi yma. Good job you're here. Perhaps it'd be better if you sit down by there. In case I drop the box and I wouldn't like it to land on your head. In case I have a little accident. Yr un nesa. Porffor. Purple. I mewn i'r box. Sawl hances hyd sydd yn y box nawr? How many magic hankies in the box now? 4? 4? Okay. Ar un nesa. Gwyn. White. I mewn i'r box. Sawl hances hyd sydd yn y box nawr? How many magic hankies in the box now? 5. 5. Be oedd y lliwiau? Can you remember which colours? Pa lliwiau oedd nhw? Glass, blue. You're 5. You're 5 as well. Well, that's funny. And you're 4. I think I might be 4 as well. There's a 4 in it somewhere. Right. Hances glas. Hances melyn, yellow. Hances gwyrdd, green. Porffor, purple, diolch yn fawr. And gwyn, white, yn y box. A dyma ni'r un ola, the very last one going into the box. Coch. Pwy sy'n hoffi coch? Who likes red? A fi. Lliw dillad tîm rygbi Cymru. Rugby team, yes. They did play well. Bechod. A lliw dillad, Sean Cornfan, the Christmas is closed. I mewn i'r box. Now for the magic. Mae'r hankesu hyd, the magic silks, are going to go o'r box, from the box, lan, yr holl ffordd all the way up there. Draw I gefn y dderbynfa, over right to the doors of the reception, ac yna nôl dros y seti, back over the seats, ac I mewn i'r bag. Nawr te, os da chi'n edrych yn ofalus, if you look carefully, falle byddwch chi'n gweld yr hankesu hyd yn mynd drwy'r awyr. If you look carefully, you might see them flying through the air. Os da chi'n edrych yn ofalus, if you look carefully and if you're lucky enough, da chi eisiau eistedd nôl dipyn bach, rhag ofn I fi ollwng rhywbeth, bydd o'n well I ti. Mae eisiau chi gadw'ch pennau lawr, can you keep your heads low in case they bump into you? A hefyd, ellwch chi gadw'ch cegau wedi cael, can you keep your mouths closed in case you swallow one? And we wouldn't want that after all the trouble we've gone to. Right. Maen nhw'n barod I fynd, they're ready to go. Maen nhw'n mynd. They're on their way. They're up by the lights. Fyny efo'r goleuadau. Mae'r un coch yn dangos I the red one's showing off. Draw. Wrth yr addurniadau. By the decorations. Wrth y drws. Draw wrth y drws. Da chi'n gweld nhw? Can anybody see them? Rhywun yn gweld nhw? Draw wrth y drws. O, maen nhw'n dod nôl. They're coming back. Slowly, they're coming back. Oes rhywun yn gweld nhw? Can anybody see them? They were in the box, but they're on their way back to the bag. Ydyn, maen nhw ar y ffordd yn ôl i'r bag. Mi oedd na un glas, melyn, yellow. Mi oedd na un gwyrdd, green, porffor, purple, ag un gwyn, and a white one. A maen nhw I gyd, they've all gone from the box, o'r box, i'r bag. Diolch yn fawr iawn. But red one, we don't want any trouble today. Now we've got a nice crowd. We don't want any trouble. A red one, oedd na'n coch na? Did anybody see a red one? Was there a red one? Gwytsiwch am fyny bach. Dowch I ni gael gweld. It might still be in the box. Da chi'n cofio, do you remember I asked you very kindly not to open your mouth in case you swallowed one? Well, I think somebody might have just opened them, just for a split second. Nes ti agor dy... Ti eisiau dod fyny I chwythu yn y bag? Can you please, os gwelwch yn dda, give a huge round of applause. Be di dy enw di? Sorry? I Jack, to Jack. Oh, Jack, fyny eich di, Jack. Jack, excuse me. If you could see what we can see here, you know he deserves more than that. Give him a warm welcome. Tisha mwy? More whooping, please. Mae yna dipyn nes ati, that's a bit better. It's Sunday, day of goodwill, nefi. Right, ta, Jack, allai di chwythu os gwelwch yna. Just chwythu. Rhaid y law yn y bag. Put your hand in the bag. Ag. Fantastic! Woo! Fantastic. Diolch yn fawr iawn i ti, Jack. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Cyn fel yn mynd nôl lawr. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Well, good job that Jack's here. Faint y glwch. Oh, mae'r amser yn prysur fynd. The time is quickly going. And we still haven't seen the... Ydych chi'n siŵr bod chi eisiau gweld elephant yn diflannu? Are you sure you want to see an elephant disappearing? Sorry? Dydy o'm yn hawdd. It's not an easy thing to do, you know, make an elephant disappear. Diflannu elephant yma yng Canolfan y Millennium. Ydych chi'n siŵr bod chi eisiau gweld elephant yn diflannu? Are you sure you'd like to see an elephant disappearing? Okay. Falle byddai angen eich help chi. I might need your help. This is serious business. Okay. 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 Cyn i ni. Before we see the elephant, mae gynnau ffafr bach arall. I've got one more favour to ask you. Da chi'n gweld, lle dwi'n byw, where I live? Oh, oedd hi'n bwrw glaw, ddo. It was raining, and look what happened to my socks. Drychwch be. Ooh. Pwa, maen nhw'n drewi. Drychwch. Be ddigwyddodd? What happened to my socks? They are so smelly. Ac ni just yn wondro, I was just wondering, sgynnych chi beiriant golchi adre? Have you got a washing machine at home? Pa sŵn mae o'n neud? What noise does it make? I mean, round a round fel na. There's a good programme, round a round. Round a... Oes na rhywun yn teimlo ddigon dewr? Does anybody feel brave enough to come and help me get these socks clean? Oes na rhywun yma sy'n eisiau dod? Newch chi roed. Clap mawr os gwelwch yn dda. Can you get... Remember, day of goodwill. Be di denw di? What's your name?
Rodri.
Rodri. Now then, Rodri. Have we met before?
No.
No. But you know what, Rodri? I bet I know exactly where you live. Would that be amazing? It would be pretty amazing, wouldn't it? I reckon that you live at home. Am I right? I think I am right. Now then, all I need you to do is smile nicely and face the audience. Gorgeous. And then we need you to turn. Oh, let's see. Let's get this washing machine ready. Turn the handle on the washing machine. Now then. We know what to expect. And ni'n gwybod be I ddisgwyl. Ti'n barod? Rodri with a gorgeous smile. Right hand then. Stop! Stop! Diolch. Thank you very much. I'm sure that everything's going to be fine. And I can go to the birthday party. I almost forgot I'm going to do a magic show in a birthday party. Aros fan hyn a funud bach. You stay there because I'm guessing we might need your help again. Oh, dear. Oh. Sbiwch, be sydd wedi digwydd. Look what's happened to my socks. Oh, Rodri. Hey, funny thing. They're holy and it's Sunday. Wel, dyna chi beth rhyfedd. Ond fe dwi'n gwisgo rhain i'r party. I can't wear these to the birthday. It's my fault, Rodri. I should have asked you to turn the handle a little bit quicker. We'll try again. I'm sure everything will be all right. Fydd bob dim yn gret. Rodri, just troi'r handlen dipyn bach mwy cyflym. OK? Driwn ni unwaith eto. Ar ôl 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop! Oedd o'n dal I synnu o dipyn bach, and it still sounded... A dwi'n siŵr fydd bob dim yn iawn. Lovely smile. Diolch yn fawr I ti. Dwi'n siŵr fydd bob dim yn gret. Everything will be absolutely fine. Oh! 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 Sbïo! Be sydd wedi digwydd rwan? Look what's happened now. I can't wear these. Maen nhw lot rhy fach. Dwi'n gwybod. My fault. Troi'r handlan dipyn bach mwy ar a deg. Just a little bit slower and everything will be fine this time. Dwi'n siŵr. 1, 2, 3. Stop! Dwi'n siŵr fydd bob dim yn fine. Everything will be absolutely tip-top. Oh! Sbiwch beth sydd wedi digwydd. Fedra I ddim gwisgo hwn. Pa poeni? Rodri, sorry. I completely forgot the magic works when we all help each other. Pan mae pawb yn helpu, sorry Rodri, bai fi, it was all my fault. Ydy'r bysedd wibbly-wobbly na gyda chi? Are your wibbly-wobbly fingers ready to help? Ar ôl 3, 1, 2, 3, abracadabra! Stop! Dewch i ni gael gweld, let's see. What's happening? Pull them out. Wow. Wow, look what you've done. That is fantastic. Take a big bow. Bow over like this. Big cheers for Rodri. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Cyn o fel yn dod lawr, na ti. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Well, it is time for me to go now, ond just cyn I fi fynd. Ydych chi'n siŵr bod chi eisiau gweld elephant yn diflannu? Are you sure you want to see this elephant disappearing? Yeah, I thought you'd say that. Gwytsiwch yn fyny bach ta. Oh, hello. Da ni just, mae'r bobl anifyr mae eisiau fi, neu di elephant diflannu? They want to see an elephant disappear. That's awkward. Oh, hang on then. Okay. Since you've been such a big help, gan bod chi wedi bod yn gymaint o help I mi. Mi driwn ni. We'll try and make the elephant disappear. Newch chi roed, neud y sŵn mwyaf, the biggest noise you can and give a warm welcome for the elephant trick. Mwyn gwneud I elephant ddiflannu. In order to make an elephant disappear, we need a stage. And we need some smart red curtains. Llenni coch a llwyfan. Mae angen wal. We need a wall. Da ni angen wal fach. Fel hyn. Like this. A da ni angen wal fach arall. Fel hyn, like this. Ag wrth gwrs, mae angen elephant. Do you know what elephant is in Welsh? Elephant! Na chi di dysgu rhywbeth? There's something new for you today. Elephant. Newch chi roed croeso enfawr os gwelwch yn dda. Will you give a fantastic welcome to the elephant? Sorry? Dyma'r elephant wedi dod. Ac mae'r elephant yn mynd I guddio. The elephant is going to hide in between the walls. Dwi'n cyfri 3. 1, 2, 3. Clicio mysydd. Ac mae'r elephant wedi diflannu. Mae wedi gweithio. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. Thank you very, very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. Na, mae wedi mynd. Mae'r elephant wedi diflannu. It's wedi diflannu. Mae'r elephant... Yn fan... Steddwch lawr. Have a sit down. Have a little sit down. Ddudis I bod o'n anodd yn do. I said it was hard. Driwn ni. Driwn ni eto. We'll try just one more time. I don't want to disappoint you. Dwi'n eisiau'ch siomi chi. Ddim heddiw. A chitha di dod yma I gael amser da. Da ni angen llwyfan. We need a stage. Da ni angen llenni. We need curtains. Da ni angen wal. We need a wall. A da ni angen wal arall. We need another wall. Ag wrth gwrs, da ni angen elephant. Are you ready to give your fantastic welcome for the elephant? Sorry? Dyma ni'r elephant. Mae'r elephant yn mynd I guddio rhwng y waliau. Dwi'n cyfri 3, 1, 2, 3. Clicio mysydd. Ag mae'r elephant wedi diflannu. The elephant has disappeared. Mae o wedi gweithio. It's worked. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. Fantastic. Wedi mynd. Mae wedi mynd. Mae wedi mynd. Steddwch I lawr, wir. Steddwch I lawr. Mae e fan... I told you it was hard. Sut allai fod mor wirion? How can I be so silly? I forgot the magic only works pan da ni gyd yn helpu'n gilydd when we all help each other. That's the real magic. Am y tro ola heddiw for the last time today. Ellwch chi gyd, can each and every one of you get your wibbly wobbly fingers out? Pawb bys wibbly wobbly in the back with a hat. Lovely, diolch yn fawr. Pawb bysydd wibbly wobbly. Bysydd wibbly wobbly. Wibbly wobbly fingers. Wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly. Diolch yn fawr. Wibbly wobbly ar geiriau hyd. Abracadabra. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra. Ac mae'r elephant wedi diflannu. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. Thank you so much. You've made me happy. When I came here, I was sad on i'n drist. Da chi wedi ffeindio'r hyd a lledrith. You've helped me find the magic. A dwi ar y ffordd i'r gogledd I wneud parti pen blwydd. And the birthday child is going to have the best party ever because you helped make the magic work. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. Hwyl fawr I chi gyd. Hwyl fawr.